Today, we will discuss the purpose of sizing beads and how you can install them inside of rings that are too large. Materials that you will need today are a Sharpie, wire snips, wire stock, a ring mandrel, a ball burr, flex shaft, files, tweezers, rubber wheels and polishing wheels, saving solution, flux, whiteout or yellow ochre, easy or repair solder, and your soldering equipment. When using sizing beads, you can go down 3-hole sizes, but anything more will create too much of a gap. I like to start by cutting about 3 millimeters of wire stock. Once the pieces are cut, it is time to flux the metal and melt them into balls. The beads will be placed on the inside of the ring at the 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock positions. Now we will use a ball burr to create small divots to hold the beads. I will paint whiteout on the entire outside of the ring and most of the inside with the exception of the areas that will hold the new beads. I will carefully place the beads onto the ball burr divots. This will now go into the pickle. Keep filing the beads until the ring fits comfortably. It is a great skill to have because most clients aren't aware of this option.